Hey guys, wagwan. So I was lucky enough to see our very own locally grown almond nut sold right here in Jamaica. In fact, I never seen nobody sell it before. As a child, we would have just ox it out with a stone and eat the nuts, or we make drops with it. But somebody just kind enough to just ox them out for us, make life so much more easier. And it's been sold. All right, so if you want to reach out to the person, guys, I will leave the information in my community section. So that's what the packaging will look like, guys, and you can get your very own almond nut. Remember, with almond nut you can make a ton of things. You can make your own milk, you can do drops, you can make flour. There's a ton of different ways you can use it. All right, and guess what, guys, remember I said I've never seen it before. If you see it before sold here, right here in Jamaica, where it ox out and looks so clean, because you know we always ox it out with stone, guys, and it always mash up sometime. But trust me, this is very innovative. I would recommend this brand, right? So just reach out to the person, guys, if you are interested in this product. All right, first thing we're going to do, guys, is to toast our almond nuts. Just want to toast them so they come out nice and crunchy. I'll be toasting my nuts at 350 degrees for around 15 minutes. Alright, guys, so while the nuts toasting off, we're going to peel our ginger. And of course, you peel your ginger with a spoon. Alright, so for the 2 pound of almond nuts, you don't need more than 1 thumb of ginger, guys. If you like it gingery, then you add more, but this is fine. Get your grater. We're going to use the smaller part for the shredding of the ginger. You see there's a lot of parts. If you do it here, so it not, me not like how it's going to turn out, so I'm going to do it on this side. So for the trash part, guys, you can still use this to make tea if you don't want to throw it away, or you boil it in your drops just the same and then remove it, right? Alright, guys, so we're going to add 1 cup of water. And to that, we're going to add in our cinnamon sticks. So the cinnamon stick go and boil out in the water. So the water, now we're going to add in our ginger. Cinnamon flavor is such an amazing flavor. I mean, oh my god, I love how it smells. Our sugar. For the sugar now, remember it's going to boil down into a paste, but I want you to get it right before it turns into a hard paste, because you know it can turn, you know it can be hard on you, right? The ginger extract, just a little bit. Guys, me I tell you something, remember me used to make this a country, and me I said enough time my finger them get lick off with stone. To remove from the almond from the shell is no easy job, may I tell you the truth. Guys, in the middle of making the drops, I realized I never have my banana leaf, so I can cut one out here. So there it is, cut my banana leaf. Alright guys, now that our nuts has cooled down, what we're going to do is to just put them in a smaller container so it's way more manageable. You see, I can't get over how clean the nuts are. Like, I could never get them so perfectly, cut them out the shell so perfect. No sir, I don't think I could do that. Alright guys, so at this time we're going to remove the cinnamon sticks. You see how nice the sugar is coming along? We're going to add in our almond nut. About 15 more minutes, guys, and then we start to scoop it out. So you want to do this, guys, on medium to low heat. You don't want to burn yourself, or you don't want to dry out the sugar too much, because remember the sugar is the adhesive. All right, guys, we're almost there and ready to drop. You see that? And of course, before you start dropping your nuts, you want to make sure you wipe off your banana leaf. And this procedure is hot, guys, so you want to make sure it don't flash up on your skin. So now we're going to allow them to cool before we take them off the leaf. Alright, guys, so since these are fully cooled, you're going to notice they're going to be easy to come off the banana leaf. And these are so perfect. Look at that. Nice and gingery. Let me taste one. I haven't tasted these in years, guys. I like how the sugar not so much in it, like plaster all over it. It's just enough to just bind them together. These remind me so much of my childhood. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time, bye.